Genetics can play a powerful role in the risk of developing breast cancer. Today, we're exploring how specific genes, particularly BRCA1 and BRCA2, influence this risk. BRCA1 and BRCA2 are genes that produce proteins, which help repair damaged DNA, securing the genetic material of cells. When these genes are mutated or altered, their repair mechanisms fail, significantly increasing the risk of breast cancer. Women with BRCA1 or BRCA2 gene mutations have a risk of breast cancer that is up to 70% over their lifetime, compared to the average risk of 12–13%. These mutations also increase the risk of ovarian and other cancers. These mutations can be inherited from either parent, which is why understanding your family health history is crucial. If you have a family history of breast, ovarian, or related cancers, talk to your healthcare provider about genetic testing. Knowledge of your genetic status can empower proactive health decisions.